Happy New Year, everybody, from me and Jovan at Clawgasmic. This is the first video of the year, so it's super exciting, and I'm going to be teaching you how to create this nail look. I posted it on our Instagram earlier this week, and it was really popular, so I decided to make this the first video of the year, which is really cool. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and enjoy. Okay, so you're going to need a base coat, a matte top coat and a base colour for this look. I really like this colour combination that we've used here. I think it's perfect for this time of the year, and Tinted Love is one of my favourite shellac colours. So there's my Tinted Love there. It's like a real rich, deep pink burgundy colour, and I've recently started using the matte shellac top coat and I'm absolutely obsessed with it. The foils I've chosen for this look are like a burnt orange, a deep pink, a baby pink and like a rich blue, well quite a bright blue. These colours go so well together, and I really like how with the different types of foil, some are holographic, some are a little bit more bitty, you get a real different diverse sort of look with each foil flake. So you can use whichever ones you like, these are just the ones I chose to use. Okay, so I've just skipped a few of the first steps. I've done my base coat and set it for 10 seconds, and I've just finished applying my first layer of Tinted Love. So that's me just finishing off the thumb there. Yes, that bottle is laying down in the background. Do not panic. There is not much product left in my Tinted Love right now, so it is fine to be laying down. So I'm gonna finish that coat and set that for 2 minutes. So now that my first layer is set, I can go in and finish the second coat of colour. Again, you can use any base coat colour you like. Just with this look, we've chosen to go with the Tinted Love. So I'm just going to quickly zoom through, do another layer of that and set that again for a further 2 minutes. So now it's time for the fun bit. With this design, I've decided to do 2 pieces of the baby pink foil on each finger and then 1 piece of all the other colours after that. So I'm going to start with my baby pink, and what you want to do is make each nail totally random. So don't worry about putting the colours in exactly the same places on each nail. Mix it up, have fun with it. That is the great thing about this look. It hasn't got to be perfect on each nail. Each nail's going to look different, and it's just a really fun look to create. So I'm going to do my pink first. You can see how that's coming off now. And I must admit, when I first did this design, I love it shiny as well. Like, I was so torn, like, do we keep it shiny? Do we keep it matte? I think for another time I probably will just do my normal top coat on top, because you'll see in a minute, once I've finished all the 4 colours, it looks incredible shiny. But I feel like the matte top coat just gives it a real fashion forward vibe. It reminds me of some of the looks we did create at Fashion Week, just a little bit more edgy and really cool for this time of the year as well. So where you've cured your second layer of colour and it's still tacky, that is how the foil stays in. So you literally just have to use a light pressure, just pressing it down and picking it back up, and the foil will stick to that tacky layer of colour gel. So really good. You can do this with nail varnish, but it is harder with a nail varnish because obviously you've got to get it at that exact stage when it's not too runny and not too dry. So it's better, I feel, in a gel polish look, just because you know it's going to stick and you're going to get a real clean transfer of the foil to the gel. I mean, even like that, I just love it. It is so, so nice, even when it's shiny. So I'm just going to go in and do my dark pink pieces now. You can see this foil's not quite as holographic as the other two. I just love this colour combo. So now I'm going to come in and do my blue bits and just fill in any little gap I can find, so there's a nice decent amount of blue on there as well, because I want all four colours to be quite prominent. I've done this look quite a few times actually in my salon, and one really good colour combo to try it with is having black as a base and just rainbow colours as the foil. But look at that! Do you see what I mean? I love it shiny and I love it matte. I think both the looks are equally as pretty. You can really see how the matte top coat really strips away the holographicness in the foil, which is really interesting. But yeah, like I say, I love the look shiny as well, so I'm definitely going to have to do that one day, I think, just maybe with a different colour combo. Now, if you don't have a matte top coat, I really would recommend you trying one. I used to just use a regular matte nail varnish top coat on my gel looks, but obviously it's not ideal because give it a couple of weeks, it chips or sometimes it can crack a little bit. But with this CND one, I find that it really lasts the duration of the nail, so a good 2 to 3 weeks, and it has a really, really nice feel to it as well, which sounds really weird, but you'll know what I mean if you've tried it. And just, yeah, I think matte is a real fashion forward vibe. I think it does create a real edginess to any design. So if you've not tried a matte top coat, get one and see what looks you can create. And if you try this look yourself, please tag me, just hashtag Clawgasmic on Instagram. I'd love to see your versions of it and your versions of different colours as well. So once you've applied your matte top coat to all 5 fingers, make sure you set it in your lamp for the setting requirements depending on whatever product you use. So with the shellac matte top coat, it needs to be set for 2 minutes. So I'm just going to pop that in there for 2 minutes, give it a wipe over at the end, and then our look is complete. So there we go, there's our finished look, a real easy, quick design. Please give it a go and comment down below if you like this look. I really hope you enjoyed this video, guys. I'm going to try to post a lot more this year, so stay tuned to Clawgasmic. If you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe, and if you want to get new clientele to your business, just click the link down below to get your free copy of the client getting formula from us at Clawgasmic, and hopefully there's some information in there that can help you, and hopefully we see you on another video.